World War III, a sentence that trigger fear, fascination, and one burning question: when will it happen? Some say 2025, others say it's already begun, just not the way you think. We asked AI to give us a prediction of when World War III will happen. The result? A prediction that might shock you. Think about it. The last two world wars were triggered by moments no one took seriously, until it was too late. Today, we're seeing the same patterns: Russia, China, AI weapons. But here's the twist. Humans are wired to miss the warning signs. Why? Because we normalize danger. It's a psychological blind spot, and it could cost us everything. So when will World War III happen? AI analysis shows a likely window between 2035 and 2050. Here's the reasoning. 1. Geopolitical stress is rising. US-China over Taiwan, Russia-NATO over Ukraine, Iran-Israel flashpoint. Each one is a potential matchstick. 2. Technology is outpacing ethics. AI weapons, autonomous drones, cyber warfare. One glitch could trigger a global spiral. 3. Psychology of power. Leaders feel cornered. Nationalism is rising. History shows that's when wars explode. So what's the spark? Here are 3 realistic triggers. A strike on Taiwan. China makes a move. The US responds. Allies follow. Boom. Chain reaction. AI misfire in Ukraine or the Middle East. An autonomous system misreads a threat. A missile is launched. No one knows who fired first. Economic collapse plus political extremism. Mass unemployment. Disinformation. Authoritarian power grabs. Civil unrest spills across borders. Here's the good news. World War III is not inevitable. The same technology that could destroy us can also save us. AI can detect conflict signals earlier than humans. Diplomacy, if empowered, still works. People, when informed, demand peace. But only if we act before the tipping point. So, when will World War III happen? If nothing changes, 2035 to 2050. But the truth is, that future isn't written yet. It's being written right now, by us. What do you think? Are we heading for war or waking up just in time? Subscribe for more AI-powered insights. Hit that like button and comment the next question for us to ask. This is Ask AI. Stay aware, stay spiritual, stay irresistible, and stay safe.